Hi, hello everyone. Good morning to all. Myself Prasanna Kumar. Today my topic is data interpretation using bar graph and pie chart. My branch electronic communication and engineering. Bar graph and pie chart. Introduction to bar graph and pie charts. Bar graph are used to compare different categories or show change over time. Pie charts represent a part of a whole and are useful for showing proportions. Both types of charts are effective tools for visualizing data. Characteristics of bar graphs. Bar graphs consist of a rectangular bar graph of varying lengths. The length of the bar represents the value of the data being displayed. Bar graphs are easy to read and interpret on a glass. Types of bar graph. Vertical bar graphs are commonly used to compare different categories. Horizontal graphs are useful for showing ranking or proportions. Stocked bar graphs can display multiple variables within each categories. Applications of bar graphs. Bar graphs are frequently used in business presentations to show sales data. They are also utilized in scientific research to display experiment result. Educational settings use bar graphs to teach students about data visualization. Characteristics of pie charts. This is the butter cake. This is the parts of butter, egg, flour, sugar. Pie charts are circular graphs divided into cells with each cells representing a proportions. The size of the each cells corresponded to percentage of the whole. Pie charts are effective for showing the distribution of a single data set. Types of pie charts. Basic pie charts show the proportions of each category in relation to the whole. Exploded pie charts separate a slice from the rest of the chart from emphasis. Dot net charts are similar to pie charts but have a hole in the center. Applications of pie chart. Pie charts are commonly used in business reports to show market share. There are also utilized in budgeting to expenditure breakdowns. Pie charts can be found in research papers or present survey result. Best practice for using bar graphs and pie charts. Ensure that the data is clear, labeled, and easy to understand. Avoid using 3D effects or unnecessary decorations that can clutter the charts. Use approximate colors to differentiate between categories and make the charts visually plain. Select a bar graph. This is the bar graph. This is the January, February, March months and a value of 500 up to 500. Select a bar graph by pressing action button. You can add or removing bar graph using corresponding actions. And also it is possible to define your own number of bar graphs. Any own numbers, your bar graphs and using pie charts and also by using action set a max value. You can change a display scale for a main variable columns width and regulated by a control dot. Depending on what you do need, you can also set a variable horizontal text position. When to use the bar graph versus pie chart. This is the types of bar graph. This is a pie chart. This is a line graph. This is a line graph. Use bar graph when compare discrete categories or tracking a change over time. Choose pie chart when showing the composition of a whole or highlighting proportions. Consider the message you want to convey and select the chart type of that best represent the data. Conclusion. Bar graphs and pie charts are valuable tools for visualizing data in a clear and concise manner. Understanding the characteristic types and best practice of the charts can help improve data communication. By selecting the approximate chart types for your data can effectively convey information to your audience. Pie chart and graph chart. This is the diagram for a pie chart and bar chart. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, madam, to all giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.